The videos you are watching are created by a powerful video engine. This platform can generate stunning animated stories and even full-length movies with consistent characters, dialogues, and cinematic visuals with a single prompt. It's fueled by some of the world's most advanced AI models, including Google Veo, Kling AI, and Runway Gen 4 Turbo, giving you full creative control. From editing scenes and adjusting character poses to fine-tuning camera angles, you can do it all effortlessly. In this video, I will guide you through exactly how it all works, step by step. But first, here's a quick look of what you can create with just a single prompt.
In a world ruled by machines, a lone hero rises above the chaos. As ancient legends awaken, darkness descends from above, but courage burns bright, and destiny calls beyond the stars.
The clips I showed you are just small segments from an animated story I created. The characters stay consistent throughout, and the storyline flows smoothly from start to finish. To create the video, you will need to sign up for Katalist AI. Click the link in the description and sign up with your email. Once you log in, you will be taken to the dashboard where you will find different templates. These templates come preloaded with creative concepts, making it super easy to generate story videos in a variety of styles. On the left side, you will find options to generate from an idea or script, start a blank project, or create a preset template. I will click from an idea or script, and this window will appear. This is the prompt section. Here you can either type out your own idea, upload a Word, text, or PDF file, or paste an existing script if you already have one ready. So let's see how to generate a unique story idea. To come up with a good prompt, I will head over to ChatGPT to help generate a few creative concepts for our AI film. Here's what to do. First, copy this prompt template from the video description below. This template can generate really unique stories based on a theme. Simply replace the placeholder theme with your own. You may also customize the tone or style if needed, then paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will then generate some brilliant and unique story ideas, complete with scripts. You now have two options. Either copy the story idea and paste it in the prompt section, and Katalist AI will build a full story around it. Or you may copy the script, tweak it to your liking, and paste it into the script section. Once done, hit continue, and you will be taken to this interface, where each line represents a scene in your AI film. You can edit any scene using the pencil icon, then select an aspect ratio for the video. Finally, you may tweak the settings and hit next. Now you have to select a style. I will go with anime and click Create Project. Katalist AI will automatically generate the human characters in your script, and you can personalize them further. Change their names, customize facial expressions, or even design new outfits, while maintaining consistency across every scene. You may also select a voice for your character and change the character's appearance before saving the changes. Then click Create Project, and Katalist AI will generate a beautifully cohesive storyboard with perfect scene continuity. Just look at these scenes. Can you believe all of this started from one simple idea created in just a few seconds? Now imagine what you could build with a tool this powerful. To test it out, I created a few more projects using the exact same script, and every single one came out looking amazing. Back in our main project, if you want to insert a new scene in the middle, it's super simple. Just click this little plus icon, type in your prompt, hit run, and a brand new scene will appear right where you want it. It's fast, it's creative, and it's designed to bring your ideas to life with jaw-dropping visuals. Above each scene, you will see a set of icons. The first icon lets you download the image, the second one duplicates the scene, and this one is for deleting the scene. Clicking the pencil icon opens the scene editor page. This is where you can customize your images and videos. Under the Image tab, you will find a prompt box down below. Just type in a new prompt, choose a location, and set the camera angles and hit run to create a completely new version of your scene. Among the icons on the left, first is the character posing tool. It lets you move characters around the frame and adjust their size. If you double-click on a control point, you can change the character's pose by repositioning their hands and legs however you like, before generating the image. Here's the updated pose in the exact same scene. Then there's the cropping tool, which lets you trim the scene and focus exactly where you want. Next up is Generative Fill, a powerful tool that lets you add elements to your scene with ease. Simply select the tool. For instance, let's say you want to place a lightsaber in this character's hand. Just brush over that space, type a lightsaber in the prompt box, and hit run. In seconds, your idea will appear right on the screen. You can insert anything you imagine. Just paint the area, describe what you want, and hit run. It's that simple. And finally, the last tool lets you upload your own images and blend them seamlessly into your project. With all these creative tools at your fingertips, every scene becomes a blank canvas, just waiting for you to bring it to life. Now, let's see how to turn a scene into a video. First, head to the Video tab at the top. This switches you into video mode. Next, in the section below, you can describe the action or leave it blank and let the AI come up with something on its own. Right under the prompt box, there's a drop-down menu where you can choose which video model to use. Options include Runway, Gen 4 Turbo, Google VO2, Kling Pro, Kling Standard, Pixverse, and WAN. For this example, I'm choosing Google VO2 as the video model. Now, as I want the character to slice through the screen with the lightsaber, I will paste this prompt and click Generate. And there it is. Checking out an invisible force field with the lightsaber. How cool is that? You can download the video to your device using this button or hit Save to add it straight to your storyboard. Back in the storyboard, up to this point, Katalist AI has automatically created all characters and locations from your script. But you can easily add more. Just click here to select a new character or enter a custom prompt to generate one from scratch. To create a custom location, click here and describe the environment you'd like to use. Each scene shows the current location. To change it, just hover over the location, choose a new one, then click Regenerate, and Katalist will automatically update the scene with your characters placed in the new setting. Once you are happy with the scenes, go to the Timeline tab. Here you will see all your scenes in order, complete with dialogue and narration. You can preview, rearrange, and adjust them, just like in a video editor. To add voice and music, click this button to enter your text, choose a voice, and select who is speaking to generate the narration or dialogue. You can also click on Upload Audio to upload your own audio, music, or sound effects. When you are ready, click Generate All Videos if the clips are not generated yet. Then choose your preferred video model and hit Generate. Once the videos are ready, click Export and select the option you want. I will click on Video to download the final video directly to the computer.
In a world ruled by machines, a lone hero rises above the chaos. As ancient legends awaken, darkness descends from above, but courage burns bright, and destiny calls beyond the stars.